Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're going to polish this aluminum tray with the YouMei heavy metal polish to a mirror finish. So what we're going to do is take some of this heavy metal polish. I'm going to place it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're just going to rub it into the aluminum tray until it's as dark as possible. And then I'm going to wait for it to dry to a slight haze, then wipe it away with the Scott Blue shop towel to reveal a mirror shine. And I just wanted to say I actually think this YouMei heavy metal polish worked really well. And a few points of interest about the aluminum polish: that it includes unique protective polymers that seal metal surfaces, preventing future stains, tarnish, and oxidation. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box, and have a wonderful day.